Rajasthan politics, the potboiler only intensifying here. Days after the drama in Rajasthan, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot finally came about in a courtesy attempt to visit the Governor Kalraj Mishra only to claim majority. Chief Minister claimed to in fact have the support of at least 102 MLAs, one more than the desired magic number of 101. This meet comes just hours after Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot claimed support from the 2 MLAs of the Bharatiya Tribal Party. Meanwhile, even as Congress battles a big desert storm in Rajasthan, the Gehlot camp MLAs seem to be having a gala time at the Fairmont Hotel in Jaipur. The MLAs have been watching films. Over 80 MLAs are right now at the Fairmont Hotel, where a single room costs 9,000 rupees per night. And now new twists and turns unfold in Rajasthan phone tapping case. The Ministry of Home Affairs now has sought a report from Chief Secretary of Rajasthan, Rajiv Swarup, over the alleged phone tapping case. India Today has also learned that the Home Ministry is keeping a close watch on the alleged leaked audio conversation. The BJP has also sought a CBI probe into the matter while raising questions about the SOPs to be followed during tapping of calls. This comes a day after businessman Sanjay Jain, who was named in the audio tape, was arrested for allegedly trying to poach Congress MLAs. Jain was also allegedly in talks with 2 suspended Congress legislators.
A day after the Congress released audio tapes alleging the BJP is buying off MLAs supporting Sachin Pilot, the BJP has launched a counter-offensive.
हमने अभी मांग सीबीआई जांच की है कि जिस प्रकार से वहां संविधान को ताक में रख के काम हो रहा है, ये प्रतीत हो रहा है और बिल्कुल सामने आ रहा है, उस पर सीबीआई की जांच होनी चाहिए। ये केवल भाजपा का विषय नहीं है, ये जनता का विषय है। जनता की प्राइवेसी के साथ खिलवाड़ करना यह संविधान के सम्मत नहीं है, ये संविधान के खिलाफ है।
Caught on the wrong foot by the audio tapes, the BJP is accusing the Ashok Gehlot government of tapping telephones of political leaders illegally. The Congress rejected the charges.
आपने ये टैपिंग किस अधिकार से किया है? क्या होम डिपार्टमेंट ने आपको ये परमिशन दी थी कि आप इन टैपिंग को करो या आपको ये अधिकार है? सच में एक तरह से टैपिंग बिना होम डिपार्टमेंट की, आज आपने देखा होगा कि राजीव ने अपना होम जो सेक्रेटरी है उसने मना कर दिया, हमारे चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने मना कर दिया, हमने इस प्रकार की कोई परमिशन नहीं दी, तो फिर ये टैप कैसे हुआ?
Their only grievance was that when we were murdering democracy, why were we getting recorded? And if we were getting recorded, was it legal? It's like a murderer saying that the witness who saw me committing the murder and who went and informed the police, didn't he violate my privacy when he peeped into my room when I was committing the crime?
Amid the politics, the Gehlot government has intensified its crackdown over audio tapes. The police have arrested businessman Sanjay Jain for allegedly trying to poach the Congress MLAs. Rajasthan's anti-corruption unit has filed an FIR against the suspended Congress MLA Bhavar Lal.
Amidst the threat by the Congress of coming up with more alleged exposés, the political slugfest in the desert state of Rajasthan is likely to intensify. However, a lot may depend upon the case regarding the MLAs from the Sachin Pilot group, whose petition is in the Rajasthan High Court. The MLAs belonging to the Pilot group will be waiting anxiously as the case is slated to come up in the court on Monday. With Nasir Khan, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur, India Today.